again, Chainlink has hit our predicted target. Now, if you've been up to date with all our videos, you would have seen that we had this target, $30 target mapped out, and obviously our next target too, which I'm going to get into a little later on in this video. But before I get into that, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Click the bell notification so you're up to date with all our recent posts and you do not miss predictions like this one. If you had got in from, let's say, our first prediction area, in total you would be up from this target area over 280%, which is absolutely phenomenal. And as always, guys, this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research. Now let's get into the video. So what are we seeing now? Number one, the good news about Chainlink in particular is, even though price is rallying into our take profit targets, we're not seeing a sharp pullback, which shows how much people actually believe in this project, right? And the market cap is growing day after day after day after day. And I'm going to show you how we predict these particular targets, how we do that when there's no more technical analysis that we can use, right? So once we broken above this resistance area, which was an all-time high around the $19 area, what did we use to hit this target to the T, right? Almost perfectly. And as you can see, we're currently ranging within this structure now. How did we do that? And I'm going to show you how we use Fibonacci's, macro fundamentals, a lot of Fibonacci extension, of course. There's a lot that we use to predict these targets. Now, when prices rally into these target areas, so let's just say the $30 area that we had, what we're seeing now when price pulls back is traders, investors taking profit. This is what's happening now. Traders are basically taking their profit or banking some of their profit, and then we're starting to see the market just pull back a tiny bit. But like I always say, pullbacks are not a good thing. Sorry, pullbacks are a good thing, right? They're not a bad thing. They're good for the health of this market, right? Number one, it gives you, if you have no entry, a chance to be able to re-enter at a cheaper price. So for example, if you had no Chainlink, ideally you would love for price to go back to $19 so you can buy again. And number two, any market that just goes in a straight line is an indication of a bubble. So therefore we want a healthy, rhythm or, cyclical move to the upside rather than, just a one straight liner. Okay, so let's look back. So taking profits now, let's see how much traders have made. So for example, if you've been holding since early 2020 and let's say at $3, you've taken profit at over 800%. Incredible gains. If you have, I don't know, bought, let's say at $7, let's say $30, again, 335%. Incredible gains. Let's just see even if you bought from our recent, let's say when we gave out the buy call here or here, let's just see the percentage gain at this level at $30. Again, 80, let's just say 70 to 80%. Some people are actually happy with these kind of moves, right? Some people are happy with 80%, others are in this for the long run like we are. We're simply compounding and buying Chainlink for the future. Now, the good thing about Chainlink is we're not seeing heavy pullbacks, which goes to show how much people do believe in this project. So for example, let's say this was a foreign exchange or stock market, typically we would want to see a deeper pullback to buy this again. But me personally, if I wasn't in this project, I personally would still buy because I believe in this for the long term. The market the market cap is growing day after day. Okay, let's get into it now. So our next target we have, let's see, again, 38% move to the next target. Potentially we could hit this before the end of the month. That's if the market doesn't start pulling back, because that is still a possibility. But we're going to say next target, sharp move to $40. And once we get to $40, Let me just draw in that in again. When we get to $40, I'm going to start mapping out, targets both midterm and, end of the year. I've already done an end of the year target, pretty much doing the midterms as we go. So I think I'll just stick to that. But again, remember guys, trade safe. Don't do anything that, don't do anything stupid. We are still at an all-time high, remember, and I am expecting another pullback. It may not huge, but I am expecting another pullback across the crypto space, soon, because again, the market cannot move in a straight line. And let me just highlight what's happening when you see the pullback at these levels. This is called profit taking. So traders, investors taking profit. So that's what we're seeing when price pulls back at these areas. And as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Next price target is $40 if that wasn't clear already. And just to summarize, number one, always trade safe. Number two, always do your own research. Number three, the market cannot move in a straight line, and always be wary when it does. Pullbacks are a good thing because it means you can get in at a cheaper price. And number five, as always, guys, seize the day.